welcome back to my channel. So I got the box in the mail today. They brought it in from the cold, and on my way up there I saw it was sitting there, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna just go downstairs and film it. So I have no idea what I got in this box, to be honest with you. Don't know if it's my Boxy Premium or my Boxylux. So let's see. Looks like my Boxylux. So let's see what I got in my Boxylux, shall we? I have no idea. I've watched a few things on it this month, but no clue what I'm going to get. So, inside this, it has a card, and it says Bubble and Glitz, and it says that we're going to be all kinds of surprised, because I haven't really got to look into this, so I don't know what I got. I did know the Hip Dot palette was coming. This is the green, I guess. They don't really have like a name for their palettes, but I do have their red purple colored palette with their more, I don't know. Okay, not horribly mad. It's all blues and golds, but they do have really nice pigment. So that's nice. So I'm just going to set this aside for now. Oh, sit this down. I like some of these colors. Cave, Limestone, Resurface. Ooh, Jingle. Rain. This will be fun to play with. I need to play with my palettes more often. I'm kind of low-key a little bit not doing mentally 100%. Staying in and working, that's all I do, is getting me very tired. So the Hip Dot palette's worth $30. Now Lux is $20. Your base box is $25. Lux is an upgraded base box, so I spend $50 on this box. The palette's worth $30, and that's the first item, and I think you get like 6 to 7 items. I'm not sure. So the next item in here, it says Luxy on here, and I have a feeling this is like a whole bunch of brushes. Yes, it says glitter and gold brush set worth $85. I don't think I'd spend $85 on any brush set, but I do like this little pouch it came in. Like, it kind of is nice. I've seen a couple people looking at them. They're all gold-ish, and so that's a nice set of brushes. So that's nice. We'll set that aside. I don't know if I'd spend $85 on that yet. The next item is by Billion Dollar Beauty, and it is a beauty sponge that, by the way, is really small. It says it's 15 bucks. Like, dude, I spent $3 on a blender that was the same size. So it's just a regular little Mishi blender. Not that I won't use it. I'll use it. But I'll leave it in this box for now. The next item down here is Hot Mess Threesome Gel Eye Pens. And that is worth $40. $40 for these. Oh, $15 off Silk Skinny Scars. That's cute. So this is what they look like. It says the blue glitter eye pen. This one says green and black. Oh, wow. This is great. Is this black glitter? There's such a thing as black glitter. I feel like black glitter would just be like gray glitter, because how would you get black glitter? I mean, if you put glitter in something and it's black, wouldn't the glitter then make it like a gray color? Because glitter is like, just looks straight up like a black thing. It doesn't even look like it's got glitter. It just looks like a crayon. Like when you do your makeup oh, I guess it has a couple gold glitter flakes in it. But it looks like those crayons that you get when you dress up for Halloween. You know, when you spend like $3 for and you paint your face. That's really what these feel like. Like, I don't really know what I do with them. Except for maybe draw like a big star over my eye or something. Dress up. They look like they're like not glitter. They don't look glitter. I mean, I can see the glitter a little bit in the green one. They look more like shimmer crayons. I really feel like these would be more like a holiday, not Christmas holiday, like a Halloween box. Because you could do so much more with them when you dress up. Then I don't know if I color my entire lid with them. But you can tell me what you think. Would you do that? I mean, would you use them on your entire lid? That one is the one that shows the most. Actually, none of them really show glitter. So, there's that. Alrighty. I'll probably give those to somebody. And the next item is by Good Jeans on lactic acid. Oh, it's by Sunday Riley. I don't really use a whole lot of Sunday Riley. Actually, I use whatever my boxes give me. They say this is $85. I would not spend $85 on this. Would you spend $85 on this? Is it worth it? Does it have a smell? Why does it not push? Do I have to turn it? And I have all of that. Okay. I'll walk it back. All of that right there. That was a lot. That was a lot that came out. Here, we'll just use it around this wrist because I don't really know what that kind of acid does. It's not a bad smell, but it goes on super smooth. It does like glisten and make your hands glisten. Okay, so the next item, is that my last item? Nope, it is not my last item. The next item is by Iconic London, and it is, ooh, like a face palette. I haven't really been using a whole lot of face palettes, and this is kind of like, I don't even know where to put it, but we will swatch these colors real quick. I don't know. I've had a lot going on, so I really haven't got to wear much makeup. My in-laws are having health issues. We have the thing going around that I'm not going to bring up. And then I'm an essential worker, so I feel like I'm always on the go. So these are the colors it is. I feel like most of them will work for me. I'm fortunate to be in that weird skin tone where most all colors like that work for me. So that is a $55 palette. The next item is by, I have no clue. It's in bubble wrap. Therefore, it must be the best thing ever. Temple Rub Calming. It's a mint eucalyptus rubbing. I don't know how that's calming. Calming's supposed to be lavender. Anyway. what's more relaxing than lavender? This temple rub, of course. With a super blend of oils to help assist in relieving headaches, stress, and anxiety. I don't know if that would work for me. It says the ingredients: cold pressed almond oil and peppermint oil. I really don't know if peppermint oil is calming to me, but I'm willing to give it a shot. And this value's at $24. It is a roller for your temples. Let's see. There we go. So yeah, there's that. And then the last item in this box is by Bet Beauty Company, and it is the Glam Smile Kit for $89. I'm willing to kind of give it a go. However, I really don't have the front teeth. They were knocked out of me, so I wonder if I could do the sides of my teeth, like with the ones that I do have. If I don't have the front ones, I don't know. Let's see what this thing looks like. I might be able to get in this box. There's 1 to 2 shades lighter every treatment. And is this 1 treatment or 2? Brush, floss, teeth, open back of LED light, remove batteries to remove plastic, attach the tray to your mouth by wrapping the tray around the light, apply the whitening gel to the top and sides of the mouth tray, insert the mouth tray, tap the power on, whiten teeth for 15 minutes. After sessions, spit and rinse. So I wouldn't have to put any on the front. I could put them on the sides because that's all I got. I don't have. I don't know how this will work or how much the additional treatments would be, because they only give you 1 syringe of the fluid. So I feel like if you use, it says use 5 I'm looking at the wrong thing. 0.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 uses because it has 3 milliliters. So you use half of these each time. So I don't know. So you get 6 usage out of this contraption. I guess if you do it once a week or twice a week, you get almost like a month worth out of each tube. But this thing costs $89, so I don't know how much the additional serums would cost. I don't know. But altogether, this box isn't a bad box. I mean, you got a face palette, you got an eyeshadow palette, a white kit, a teeth whitening kit, the brushes to apply, an acid treatment, and a blending brush. So basically all of the tools that you will need. These things are a little weird, and that's all I got. That's it. Okay. I feel like I got $50 worth. I probably would have gotten $50 of other items if I had had the 50 bucks instead and went to a store. But I doubt I would have got this much items or this quality of items. So that is my Boxylux box for this month. And if you like what the boxes are like, or you think it'd be interesting to try to get one, the links are in the description. All you have to do is click on the link. I have all the links for all of the boxes that I've unboxed throughout the entire year of my channel. Even if I'm not getting them currently, I have gotten them in the past. And I don't hate on any box, actually. I very rarely get critical, although there are sometimes... Ooh, I got that everywhere. That does not dry down. Like, that does not dry down. Like, that crayon stuff is still transferring, too. Huh. Alright. Let's just take it off. Yeah, it definitely feels like, and comes off like if it was a Halloween item. So, but yeah. So, if that's the kind of stuff you like, you can make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment anyway. Tell me how you've been. Tell me what you do. Do you get up in the morning and have a hot glass of tea? Have you been reading any good books? Ooh, tell me about good books, because I love books. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. I heart your face, and take care, guys. Bye.